Hey there everyone, Jason Tapala here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and I'm just going to show you another little workout I've done in my garden here now as we're still in lockdown. So something a little bit different. I'm using a couple of bars that I don't normally use because I can't get them into my truck, and I bought these bars ready for me when I get my own place, whenever that will be. So I've got a lot more bars, specialty bars that you haven't seen or I haven't used with my clients, which I've got squirreled away at home and in other places. So when I do get my own place, I've got a lot of new, really good pieces of equipment to work with my clients. So also while I'm here, if you want to do personal training, home training, online training, anything like that, when this lockdown pandemic's finished, please do not hesitate to hit me up, give me an email, call me, get me on social media. I'll be more than happy to help you. So what I'm going to do is just show you there's two pieces of equipment I work with today, and that's all. I've just done some hip bar hip thrusts, and some deadlifts. So I'm just going to show you quickly, if I can show you that. So here I have got my hip bar thrust bar, really. So it's a specialty bar. I got it from Primal Stream. Been very good to me. So in the video, in the montage coming up, you've seen me using this. So it's really good. So it's really easy to get in and out. Now what I've done here, I've had to use couple of pallets because I haven't got any proper place to do it. So I've had to raise my bum off the floor a little bit because the pallet's a little bit too high, but that's good. So, and also over here I have used my hex bar or half hex bar. So this is another good piece of equipment to use. Let me say, they've got specialty handles, so I can change the handles for different grip strengths. So I've just done a few sets of those in between hip thrusts. So yeah, so just two pieces of equipment. I've literally just finished, I'm a little bit out of breath. About half an hour, 45 minutes. 10 to 12 sets between the two. I haven't got a lot of weight on there because I haven't got many bumpers here at home. So that's why I'm just literally doing one exercises to the next. So basically, it's almost a compound superset. So basically I'm glutes, legs, hamstrings, and quads and all that stuff. So doing a sort of compound set between the two. So that was a great little workout. I hope you like the montage coming in a minute. Like I say, if you want any personal training, strength training, flexibility training, mobility training, whenever this lockdown's finished, in another couple of weeks, months, whenever, please don't hesitate to give me a call. And yeah, hope you like the montage coming up now.